In this video, I explained Sony TV won't connect to Wi-Fi. Today, we are gonna show you how to fix your Sony TV if it won't connect with your Wi-Fi. We are gonna show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now, don't be impatient. Here, wait for the 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. If that not clears your problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Unplug your router, wait for 60 seconds and then plug it and back in. Wait for router to go online. It takes about 2 minutes. Now before you test your TV to see if your Wi-Fi is working again. If that's not clear, let's go on to the next try. Method 3. If not, this last thing usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset, so we are gonna reset your TV. To push the home button, go to settings, go to storage and reset, select factory data reset, then erase everything. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.